Okay, another fairly simple yet very important one is when you ask to find the factors of a number. So another word I like to use instead of factors is the things that divide um, into a particular number. So what divides into 40? And for me, I really enjoy just quickly putting things into the ladder method. So I always, the prime numbers on the left, 2 goes into 40, then 20 times 2 goes into 20, 10 times 2 goes into 10, 5 times 5 goes into 5 once, and once I've got the 1 at the bottom, I know I'm done. But that's not the only way that you can kind of identify a lot of the factors. Another very common technique is to always start, your first factor of any number is going to be 1 of any whole number, and another very obvious one is going to be the number itself, is 40, because 40 will go into 40, and you sort of work your way inwards towards the middle. And because I've done that ladder method, I've already picked up quite a few of the factors. So 2 we worked out goes in 20 times. 2 times 2 is 4. 4 goes in to 10 times, and we can see that on the right of the ladder method too. And then we've seen that 5 is a factor 2, and 5 goes into 40 8 times. So there we've basically identified all the different factors of 40. However, they can ask this question in a slightly different way. They could ask us, and this is just testing our understanding of different words, they could ask us for the composite factors of 40. So here we wouldn't be listing all these factors, we'd only be listing the ones that are composite, i.e. they're not prime. So just quickly to see which ones they are. 4, because 2 goes into 4. 5 is a prime number. 8 is also a composite factor. 10, and then obviously all the bigger ones tend to be composite factors. And then the other variation of that, and I'm just going to kind of sneak it in to the side, is they could also ask us to list the prime factors. Prime factors are just prime numbers that go into 40. Your smallest possible prime is obviously 2, and the only other one is 5. So the prime factors of 40 are 2 and 5.